Tolo, balik tayo. I've been gone for a long time at yun na nga, at ghihintay lang so every year ngayon kasi in advance I give bought myself a gift para sa akin kasi my big day is coming up pretty soon here in a week on the 13th. So I decided na order ako na another FPC, yung folding carbine na ano siya, 9M na rifle siya. And I'm just waiting and waiting and decided to myself, fuck it man, why not? So start yung video rito kaya nag-record ulit ako, balik ako rito ngayon. And just happy kasi last year if I could remember, niregaluhan ko sarili ko ng sarili kong pistol, okay? Niregaluhan ko sarili kong pistol. So kaya sabi ko, you know what? Why not this year again? Bought myself, nag-open to. I was hesitate na bumili ng kumuha ng yung Celtic na carbine nila na 9M. Ngayon nag-open to, non-restricted siya. Actually, back then, last year, if I remember, last year, it was restricted. So ngayon, naging non-restricted na tong 9mm na siya, folding rifle na carbine. So sabi ko, you know what, I'll buy it for another couple $100 more. And yung nga lang, hinihintay ko. And I'm just so excited and pumped again, you know. And then, pakasaya, Merry Christmas pala sa inyo in advance at saka Happy New Year's. And di lang ako pakali. Sabi ko, oh man, ang tagal naman ng should be here probably in 15 minutes or so. But inunahan ko lang. And yung first na collections ko actually sa pistol, itong Stoeger 9S Combat. Ngayon, magkakaano na ako, carbine na rin ako, 9mm na rifle. So I can't wait to have it. At least meron na siyang partner. And let's see what happens from now. Every year mukhang mag-collect na ako every year. I'm just saying, I'm trying to be spoiled myself. Just that, you know what? Probably I deserve it. You know, I'm sorry. You know what? I've been working my ass off. Trabaho ko ng trabaho lagi. You know, paying the bills. You know what? I'm not perfect. I'm late once in a while, my bills. But it happens. But I caught up anyways. But yeah, yun lang masabi ko na spoil ko yung sarili ko. And ito yung unang collections ko. Actually, meron pa akong shotgun, pero pang hunting naman yun. Soba, tsaka mga 30-06 ko, pang hunting ko ng soba. Tsaka may 22 rin ako. Pero ito talaga, ito pang bahay lang to. You can't use this outside. Either way, you can only use this pag pumunta ka sa range. So, itong 9M na 9mm na Stoeger STR 9S Combat, when I bought it, nag-add ako ng no, not that one first. Nag-add muna ako ng itong Holsan 407X2. Red dot lang siya. And then kasi may green na naman ako rito, so nilagyan ko ng red dot para nag-match naman sila. Ang galing, ang ganda nga tingnan. And then nag-add ako ng compensator, and then nag-add ako ng all light, and that was it. I got my whole setup. So ngayon, yun nga, and I use this, probably I fired this off probably around I would say 200 rounds. Nasa 200 rounds siya, okay? And problema tayo ng konti. I need to adjust I need to adjust sa ilalim ng guide rod, sa pupuntang guide rod, kasi kung bakit tumatama roon, nag-jump siya. And then itong ganito, napaka-picky. I need to buy it at least yung grain na bala na binibili ko, either 123, 125 above grain ang tinatanggap nito. Pag 115 grain lang yung normal, yung mga cheap na brand, I'm not saying cheap sila, okay? I would rather to buy those kasi napaka-expensive. Besides, magamit mo lang naman ng ito sa range lang naman. I still have a case here, actually. Itong blazer. I still have a case here with this blazer na to. Aluminum to. Aluminum to. And believe me or not, I won't like it, man. This gun is just keep jamming up all the time. And then I did the best I can. Yun na nga, inayos ko nga, sabi ko, you know what, every time bibili ako ng bala ngayon, either nasa 125, 23 grain, or 47 grain. Okay? And above that, if it's just normal 115 grain, nope, it won't take it. So, ito ang first na ano ko, and then nag-end up ako ng tapos niyan, and nag-invest ako sa mga small gears ko para sa range, di ba? So, end up ako, bumili ako nitong electronic ear muffs. I add this up because you need this, and not too bad. I like it, you know. Yan ang ininvest ko, electronic ear muffs. And then I bought this Aplula Maglula. Ito sa 9mm to 45mm to na bala. So ito yung paggamit ko pag lagyan ng bala sa aking casing, sa aking So then after that, bumili rin ako sarili kong case. Ito yung case club. Bili ko to sa Amazon. There's 4 na bala rito. Pwede ka mag-add rito ng 4 na pistol rito in each of that. But you know what? It's getting expensive. Even just one pistol, man. So I said, okay, you know what? I'm fine for now sa pistol ko. So, nag-decide ako, ngayon this year naman, binilang ko sarili ko ng 9mm rin siya na rifle nga lang siya, at foldable pistol siya. I'm hoping na sana dumating na at para mahawakan ko man lang at paano ba to gamitin or what, you know, kung pagtripan man lang. So far yun lang, kaya peace tayo mamaya, balik tayo mamaya mga katropa, and then show it to you, and I'm just being pumped at regalo lang, you know what, hindi naman sinasabi ko ni-spoil ko sarili ko, bakit hindi, trabaho ng trabaho, and then I can't buy my own, no way man, but pay the bill first, okay? Pero kayong mga bills dyan, minsan dyan tayo na nadudurog at saka mga late payments. So, yeah, peace out tayo dyan mga katropa. Kaya balik ako maya-maya.